How to change the commentary language in EA Sports FC mobile game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you'd like to hear match commentary in a different language in EA Sports FC mobile, then it lets you download and switch between several commentary languages. First of all, launch open the EA Sports FC mobile game on your device. Once you're inside, go to the settings icon at the top right corner from the home page. Now you'll see the settings icon where you'll need to click on the pencil button right next to commentary and SFX. From the menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and download the different commentary language option from the bottom. Find the language and tap this download button right next to the language option and let the download continue. It'll take a while depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure that a stable internet connection is connected to your device. And once the download is done, you'll be able to select the commentary language you downloaded. So that is how it's done. After the download is done, you can switch between the commentary language easily in the game. So there you have it. You can then start a match and the commentary will now play in your language you selected. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.